Look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Guys, I'm at the dentist. It's once again. I always look hungry and lazy. And my mother. Yes, the lovely mother. Yes, I come at the dentist. I don't know why, I just come do a checkup to see if everything alright and to see what needs to be done and all these things. So let's see how this goes. Guys, I'm still waiting. Mother gone in. Me and she left. But I'm hungry. Hungry bad. You hungry? Always. I'm hungry, man. Hungry bad. Yeah. I can't watch Riverdale past that. Anyways, me say to her, say, see, in a dentist place, not a good place for have picture of food and something, because them always want to tell about nothing too hot or nothing too cold when they're too hungry. Yeah. If you're hungry at the time, I think nothing too hot or nothing too cold, you're hungry, just want something to get there because I guess I kill you. Them something are wicked, yes. Don't laugh, them something are wicked. Waiting. I'm still waiting. She come out, and then she come out, she and bubble gum. What she come a dentist for? Where you come here from? You come out and you and bubble gum. What the doctor say? What the dentist say? Put it on back. Patiently waiting. I want to work on the leaf because I'm too like them something here. There's about bad experiences. I'm gonna do well with them place. So I'm just gonna get this over with and get me out to eat.
Fade to gray as you fade away.
Really? Clean. What today I do it though? I finished clean my teeth, so teeth extra clean before I said extra clean right now. You understand? Because that smile and cheese and go out with myself and all these things. So fear turning on. And she's a nervous, so I'm not nervous. I feel rub her back and rub the belly and I say, your turn? Nervous? Nervous? You're nervous? Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. Smile, let them see your teeth. Smiling. Sure. To go and get his teeth. Smile and show them your teeth. Yeah. Team time, you know.